Today we're going for something different. A whey collagen, almost like a protein shake, a creamy ice cream. 2% milk, 12 ounces. Whey protein blend, 49 grams. A collagen peptide to replace the xanthan gum to give it a little thickness. 1/8 teaspoon of stevia. And a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I found if you use the frother right away, you get powder everywhere, so I'm using this small whisk, incorporate the ingredients, and then I'll use the frother. Scrape off the sides, get it all in there. If you don't have a frother, a small whisk will work just as well. These are great for all sorts of cooking situations. Then finish it off with the frother. I let these rest on the counter for about 10 minutes, kind of to settle themselves out. And I put plastic wrap on the top instead of the covers, and I punch a hole in the center. Some people put them in freezers without the cover on. They say it keeps the ice cream base from freezing in a mound in the center. If it works, we'll all witness it together. Here's what the whey collagen looks like after 24 hours in the freezer. Put it in the machine, turn the machine on, select full, even though it's not full, go to light ice cream, hit the start button and wind it up. Now for the taste. That's the best vanilla of all three. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of food recipes, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna taste.